This exceptional 19th century chateau is for sale. Located in Poitou Charentes, France. It offers 13 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms. Built in 1884 for a renowned cognac family, this magnificent listed chateau offers approximately 1,255 square meters of living space. The chateau is set within 2.57 hectares of landscaped parkland on the banks of the Charente River. The chateau features spectacular reception rooms with 5.8-meter ceilings, a formal dining room, kitchen, gym, seminar room, 13 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, and impressive original period features, including a grand stone staircase, ornate moldings, fireplaces, and original wood floors. The estate includes a large swimming pool, tennis court, a private island on the Charente River, and several listed outbuildings, including a caretaker's cottage, offices, garages, and 2 renovation projects. This exceptional French chateau is offered fully furnished. The asking price of this 19th century chateau estate is €3,286,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.